Got me.
These idiots are eating rocks.
They're also
Dumbass birds.
they're also not even birds.
Dumbass
like...
birds eating rocks. Look at their necks. Their necks are literally a fucking pencil.
Man, I wish I had that many gemstones.
This rat giving gemstones.
To everyone but us.
Yes, everyone but us. Here's the lane plan. We win. Got it?
Alright, cool, yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I don't think Nern has it actually.
Why is Nern got oracles?
That's honestly a good question, Tony.
You hovered over that and said nothing.
Nern has a plan.
I respect it, though. I respect it.
No way!
Focus Kai'Sa if you can.
Nern.
Get it? Nope.
Man.
Okay, Flash.
No
okay,
way.
The Flasha.
Okay, Flash. Kind of weird. You didn't have to do that.
Fighting the minion wave.
I'm gonna throw that over.
Try and scare him.
Shut the fuck up, Rocky. Holy fuck.
Shut up, Lucky.
Quiet.
Lucky, please.
Ethan, come down.
Shut up.
On the way.
We take this fight.
Oh man.
Oh, that didn't really hit how I thought it would. Is Locky kind of faint or something? What is he trying to...
He always does
What do you
this.
mean I'm trying to faint?
Good fight, boys.
What the? Fire?
What?
They're in your jungle.
No, I think they kept walking. I think they're just trying to go around Skull Wizard. Yeah.
Yeah.
You, in fact, cannot do that.
It's impossible, but we all try.
Yeah, we all do try.
Yeah.
You're clear vision here? Oh, you don't have oracles. You're a weirdo.
No.
You're a weirdo.
Weird.
Nern did.
Weird.
4
I
levels.
used it.
Weird.
I'm not used to ADC having trinket.
See?
Not gonna lie.
I actually didn't mean to choose that. But...
You could always. You can switch it over at any point of the game.
Nern's like, now that I made this mistake, I must carry it on my back for the rest of the game.
Yes.
No, Fire. I'm gonna be carrying the game. I need that big
Fire, we're taking fire. I'll give you $1.
Is he gonna be carrying the game?
I'm going for my Krugs.
What a dickhead!
No.
Holy shit!
+7 gold.
Man, you really do that to me.
Oh, bag.
What?
What?
You didn't see that.
Who gets it? I think I'll give it to the Vega for having to deal with that shit top.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, fuck you. I got an S. You can't complain.
I kind of had...
I actually had one more CS than you.
I had 3.4 thousand more gold.
Yeah, but I had one more CS.
Hey.
Fire?
You want to?
Yeah. No, come this way. Come bot.
Oh,
so that way
shit.
we can go around.
Oh shit! I
and
brought
trap 'em
my
off.
Q instead of my E. My bad.
I'm coming to you. Wait. Wait for me. I got the hook.
The hook.
You ready?
Go, go,
Yeah,
go, go, go. Let's do this.
Yeah.
He's gonna flash. Yeah.
We can still get him. We can still get him.
I'll just be over here.
Take it.
Thanks.
You took it?
Thanks.
2 flashes.
I
What's
can
up?
start solo now. Thanks for it.
The window's not open. You're gonna have
You like
to...
you like the flash hook?
Shut up.
Yeah.
No.
Big
I
rip,
did.
Chris. Chris! Oh!
Poor Mordecai.
Chris with the rip.
Chris, yeah, that's right. The boys in the Discord call just said, Chris with the rip.
You know it.
Oh.
Oh
you
shit, they're on
wish-
mine! Oh, no, no, no,
Uh-oh, not again.
no.
That's revenge.
Fire, what are you doing?
I'm kind of farm.
Tark ganking you, Ethan. I'm here for the counter.
Dark isn't real. Get in
Uh-oh.
there. On a fucking dash.
No way, dude.
Yikes.
Gotta be kidding me.
Always keep blasting you. The ass blaster.
Yikes.
Why does he deal so much damage?
I don't know. Holy shit, like seriously. Yeah. Triple.
Oh.
Biden's
Why
pro
was-
state.
Why was I there for the counter game before Fire was? That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm better at you.
Holy
How is
shit.
it
Welcome
going up
aboard.
there, Tony?
It's going alright. I'm a bit low, but I think if he tries out, he keeps on
We
poking me.
should focus out Jin if we can, though. Don't push up too far. They'll know I'm here.
I'm gonna come
Yeah.
on top, Tony. He
Okay,
is
going.
sick.
I honestly think I could. If he gets too close to tower, I think I can kill him.
Okay, I'm gonna
But
come
the
behind
way
you.
wave's pushing
Here.
out.
I'm rolling.
Got
you.
nothing else for that. Okay, okay,
Oh,
okay.
loser.
I think I'm dead, though. Yeah, I burn.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Easy.
A
done.
double taunt. He can pull one of us into a into the room.
Somebody wants to.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, no, yeah. Into the room.
That's what I was really like scared for. I was like,
This cannon
hopefully he
wave?
can't fucking do that.
Yeah, it is.
Dang. That's okay.
Oh, close.
Let me recharge my Q and then I'll go on Ethan.
Just play safe. I'm gonna go mid.
Alright, I'm gonna recall.
Yeah, let's recall. I'll mid and then back.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, not even needed.
Ethan!
Can't. I don't have mana.
And no energy. Who needs kills?
Ooh.
Mid lane needs kills.
That was clean.
I want to do a. He ignited me and it's backing off for a sec.
Come
I'm
to
healing
Raptors
up.
and then I'll gank you, Ethan.
Okay.
Ooh, I don't know if I have to get alt off this
I'll
wave.
ulti so he can't actually run away this time.
Big, big chunky.
Oh, never mind. Do you need me?
Big, big chunky.
More gold
And
for
now I
you.
have 6.
I'll come
Oh.
top then, Tony.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna try and force a fight. Oh, beyond this hit 6.
Oh, Lord, that felt nice.
Oh, that's right.
Ooh.
Uh-oh is indeed correct.
Man.
I have no mana.
Let's see
Jesus.
if I can make that
Ooh.
Thor kill himself.
Oh, I don't know if you win that.
I win.
Strafe. Ooh!
Fire.
I freaked out.
Down. Nice try.
Fire. Going for
I,
him.
I got
Oh, yeah,
rooted
you
the
have ulti.
second I killed Drum. Couldn't get out.
Nobody.
I don't
Man.
think you need me. Let's see. I'll just teleport nearby.
Whew. Get him. No way! Oh, the tip of the fucking bonk. At least he didn't capture my soul. Which is nice.
Fuck him up.
Yeah, stay free.
That. BD.
Probably keep in here.
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, we can keep going, keep going.
Yeah, you guys
Nice.
are good.
You got that. Okay,
Nice.
that's Drake.
So sad.
I don't have Smite for Drake anymore after that. I'm gonna check out Rifty, because I think that's something they be keeping their eye on. Yep!
Oh, yep. They were doing it.
They're trying.
He's got a control word there.
I know. They're gonna try and collapse on me, Tony. You wanna help out?
He's gonna ult you probably when I come.
Oh yeah, just get out of there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, fuck your control word, buddy. All that for a control word. Let's go, stinky like shit.
Watch this.
No way!
Oh shit.
Can't do that to that man, man.
Oh,
He hit me with it. I gotta hit him with it.
Evidently.
didn't Yasuo, but
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
no way, fire.
They backing or just playing boring?
I'm
Jin's
keeping you
missing.
alive. Let's go, fire.
I'm just gonna do vision stuff. Don't get
Alright.
1v1 by Drum.
And
Oh! No, you don't have flash, that's right, I used it earlier.
At least we got Rift.
We've been in that situation twice now.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm coming back.
Okay.
we got Rift, so it's
Yeah, it's all
okay, I
good.
guess. Uh-oh.
Oh fuck! Shit.
Uh-oh.
The Jin. Be careful.
Yeah, fire, we should... no way we get out. I slowed him? No way.
Hey, good job, good job.
Does he get out?
No way!
We're good.
What?
I'm gonna give it to. I'm gonna give it to.
I'll be right back.
Give it to Ethan for getting ganked twice at the beginning of the game.
Let's go.